Today I'm working on a 2016 4runner. We're going to be doing the high beam headlight bulb. That is this inside one here, the closest to the grill. This outside one is the low beam, but we're going to be doing this one. I have a separate video for that bulb, so let's jump in. As you can see, that's the connector there for the bulb. It is, I got a screwdriver right there. It is nice to have something to push against that because there is a seal in there. So what I do here is I'm going to grab a screwdriver and put it there to push, and then I'm going to depress the tab and wiggle, and that'll pop that guy off. Then you can see what that tab looks like. So when you put the pressure right here on this, and then there is a rubber seal which will make that difficult to pop off. Then we're going to turn the bulb counterclockwise till it lines up with those notches, and then the bulb comes out. There's the bulb. This is a good one. I've already replaced it, but that's what it looks like. And then when you go to put it back in, you just need to line up those notches right there. Turn it clockwise till it clicks. Then throw your connector there. Go till you feel it click and give it a good firm push. Make sure it's connected, and that's how you do a high beam bulb. I will put a link in the description for that bulb. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.